Currently we're working on stages 21, 22 and 24, installing drainage at all the culverts. This involves diversion of current waterways, irrigation channels, and then preparation to put the culverts in, and then installing culverts, backfilling and compacting.
Preparing the groundworks to put the culverts in. Team members in the Alliance are pretty supportive because they know that my work was slowing down and I needed to get a better job and stuff, so they helped me out with Maali. I like working on the Outer Road project because I don't know, it's a big opportunity to take on if you haven't had the experience before. Like, especially growing up as a man, you need to, I don't know, get much knowledge and experience and learn from a lot of people that have been doing it before you, especially when it's a lot different to the other jobs I've done before. Main skills I've learnt is like just using equipment that I've never used before, like lasers, like pipe lasers. My teammates around me will just let me know what's going on. With a good team, so they help me out if I need help, and we always work it out together.